Hi guys, welcome to our channel. It's My Life Philippines. It's Wednesday night. We're here in our place and Mr. Leon already recovered, but he need to little bit rest so that his body will have energy already. And later I will take some video in Mabalacat Christmas village and have also a live band there. So I go with my family and with Pamela, with my sister. So let's go.
But I cannot go because I already 1 week not go outside from home. Before I have fever, 39 temperature, and I stay always in home. And my doctor said you need to stay in home about maybe 3-5 days more because I won't go to Thailand soon and I want to fast recovery before Thailand. That's why Shaira will take video now. She will go to with her sister and with her family.
Hi guys, we're here already in Mabalacat Christmas village. So they're celebrating the Mabalacat Festival here in Mabalacat City. So have also some foods here for like every branch of place here in Mabalacat.
All the performers mo na nag-perform ngayon. We have
Barangay Santa Maria. So it's more vegetables.
That dispatch. So maraming salamat po sa pag-perform at pagpapasaya sa mga tao natin dito sa Mabalacat.
They also have selling some foods here like Toto Bits, they call it.
Walaan dito sa ating Mabalacat Music Festival.
Have also carnival here guys.
Mapapasayaw at mapapaindang na tayo kasi naman ang gabing ito. Habang hinihintay po natin ang ating last performance competition. So, lahat ng schools dito na Mabalacat magpo-compete for the free dance competition. And also after that, the free dance competition. So, ang pinaka-highlight po ng ating event.
Say hi! Hi, say hi mo. Hi! 80. Sorry. So we're going to find some food here guys with my family. So have also shawarma here, fries and some coconut food. So say hi Pamela. They said you're so beautiful, they said. Huh? They said you're so beautiful. Thank you. So you asking if she's single or not. So say hi to her daughter. Hi, say hi. Say hi.
Everybody put your chill on. Hey.
So it's 49 pesos only, guys. What is that, Pamela?
You want, mommy?
No, I don't like. What is that?
What you call this one? Is this wonton?
Huh?
I don't know what does it called in English.
It's not Mabalacat, guys. It's Balacat village only. Thank you for watching, guys. Please subscribe and like. Salamat.